Hello, welcome to the Mark Janot Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about the best ham radio that you never heard of, the Hilberling PT-8000A. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So the Hilberling PT-8000A is a high-end amateur radio transceiver known for its exceptional performance and German engineering. So it has a wide frequency range, right? The key features regarding its frequency range is the transmit, right? 1.8 to 30 MHz, 50 to 54 MHz, 144 to 148 MHz, right? That's from a transmit perspective. Now, from a receive perspective, it has the 0.009 to 30 MHz, the 50 to 54 MHz, and the 110 to 148 MHz. Now, the power output, you have the HFs, it's basically 6M up to 200 W, SSB, CW, FM, and then you have the the 50W AM. You have the 2M, that's up to 10W, SSB, CW, and FM. You have the 2.5W, that's the AM. Now the mods are AM sync, FM, SSB, and CW. Now the advanced features, you have the twin RX, dual receive capability, the variable DSB, right? The variable DSB bandwidth, the 0.5 to 6 kHz and 15 kHz. You have the IP3 HF, right? The 6M, the plus 39 dBm2. Now, the design and build, the PT-8000A is manufactured in Germany and is known for its robust construction, weighing 28 kg, which is about 62 pounds. It covers, it comes with a dedicated 50V power supply, the HN8000, right? And a system engineered microphone, the TN, the TN. So, or the T9 rather, right? The transceiver is available in various front panel colors, including anthracite gray, claret violet, and brilliant blue. Okay, now the performance is the PT-8000A is highly regarded for its receiver performance with a sensitivity of 0.1, right, UV for HF and 6M bands, and the 0.09 UV for the 2M. Now, before I proceed, if you're gaining value and if you got what you came here for, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you got what you came here for and you're getting value from this video, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. So it utilizes a 200W transmitter output stage with 50V UHF FETs, which is considered innovative in ham radio. The price and availability: as of February 2025, the Hilberling PT-8000A is still in production. However, it is a premium product with a correspondingly high price tag. In 2024, it was priced at around, I want to say, $13,000, making it, one of the more expensive amateur radio transceivers on the market. So while the Hilberling PT-8000 may not be as well known as other brands, it's often described as top tier world-class transceiver for amateur radio enthusiasts who demand higher quality and performance. But if you have a more accurate price, please put it in the comment section below. That's what they're saying online. So how does the Hilberling PT-8000A perform in real world amateur radio applications? So the Hilberling PT-8000A, again, it's a high-end amateur radio transceiver that has mixed reviews in real world applications. So here's an overview of the performance. So the PT-8000A's receiver has been praised for its ability to dig out the DX, the distance stations, from deep in the noise. It demonstrates excellent sensitivity with measurements showing 0.1 UV for HF and 6M bands. The transmitter performance is as gold, right? It has been noted as a pile-up breaker, indicating its effectiveness in competitive DX situations. So it features a 200W output for HF and 6M, which is considered innovative in ham radio 1. Now, the audio quality, reports on audio quality are mixed. Some operators receive compliments on their audio. Others found the audio is to be less effective and noisier and slight def compared to other high-end rigs. Now, the ease of use: the PT-8000A has a learning curve. Initial setup can be challenging, with some users experiencing difficulties due to extreme user settings. So once accustomed to the interface, operation becomes smoother. The weighted VFO knob is described as silky, and band changes are reported to be quick. Now, the comparison to other high-end radios, like when you compare it to, for example, the ICOM IC7800, the PT-8000A was better at digging out DX from noise. However, the ICOM was considered easier to set up. Some users found the performance only marginally better than the IC7800 despite the significant price difference. Now, the drawbacks are the radio lacks a built-in spectrum scope, which is a feature that many operators appreciate in modern high-end transceivers. Some users reported issues with overdriving amplifiers requiring careful gain management. Now, there are some people are saying there are some known issues or common problems with the Hilberling PT-8000. So the known issues and common problems reported were the overdriving amplifiers. So users have reported that it's easy to overdrive amplifiers connected to the PT-8000A, causing various issues. Careful gain management is required to prevent this problem. You have the complex setup. Initial setup of the radio can be challenging, with some users experiencing difficulties due to extreme user settings. So a coaching session with Hilberling USA was mentioned as necessary to normalize the settings. You have the audio quality concerns. Some operators have reported that the audio can be noisier and slightly deaf compared to other high-end rigs. So you also have the lack of built-in spectrum scope. Unlike many modern high-end receivers, the PT-8000A does not include a built-in spectrum scope, which some operators consider a drawback. You have the frequency stability. There have been reports of frequency wandering around 5 to 10 Hz due to the LO design, which could be an issue in some weak signal operations. Again, you have the learning curve. The user interface and operation of the radio have a learning curve, although operation becomes smoother once accustomed to it. Now, the transmitter issues, some unspecified transmitter issues were reported, which require the transceiver to be returned to Germany for repair. There's cable related problems in complex shack setups. Some users found it necessary to add toroids to cables to mitigate certain issues. Now, again, there's some unique features of this ham radio. So let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you gained value from this video and if you got what you came here for, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and that like button. If you got what you came here for and you got some value from it, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.